In the last 10 days, I met with three accidents. I was driving my scooty, KPHB, Y junction. I was taking a U-turn, skidded and fell down. The handle came and hit the left side of my ribs. Severe pain I was going through. 2 days later, I was driving my I-20 car on the Gachibowli outer ring road, and one truck came and went past my car and it broke off the right side mirror. Third time, again I fell down from scooty when I went to buy some milk. I was wondering why such thing was happening. Then I understood there was little imbalance between my brain and my body. I was into little bit of thinking. So much pain I had to go to the medical doctor. I thought maybe heart problem. Then he did ECG, 2D echo and said, seems to be okay. If you still want to be 100% sure, maybe we have to do treadmill ECG and then we have to do angioplasty. But then I knew that I am not going to have a heart attack because it won't be there for so long. And 3-4 days I skipped my gym routine. My trainer, coach, Mr. Raju called me, said, why sir, you are not coming to the gym? And finally I went and I told him this is what happened. And he said, why? Why are you in so much of stress? Then I said, it's almost 1.5 years, not only me, all the schools and colleges, correspondents, teachers, and we are in the industry of education and we are not having business. I need to run my office, I need to pay salaries, I have to take care of so much of expenditure. I'm not able to make both ends meet. That's why going through so much of stress. Listening to this, we had Mr. Reddy, Subba Reddy, very famous Telugu film producer. He came to me and said, sir, I have invested so much money on my film and more than 10 crores I have taken loan and my film production got halted because of this COVID. Today I'm supposed to pay 1 crore. And he said, we take 5 to 6 rupees, even 8 to 10 rupees per day interest. And I know that I'm not going to pay, but I'm not in tension. And I'm telling them that whole world is going through some COVID-19 crisis, pandemic. So I'm willing to pay. I want to pay you, but right now situation is not okay. And I said, what if that fellow shouts at you? He smiled and said, sir, you know me, I know you. I'm working in the gym. There are more than 40 people right now. Imagine that guy whom I have taken money, the financier would come and shout at me, Mr. Subba Reddy, what happened to my money? So some people might laugh that this guy has no credibility, but half an hour later when I walk out, who are these people who matter to me? They don't matter to me. And if that guy comes and hits me, he's trying to kill me, he's going to manhandle me. Now we are going to put a case in the police station. Anyway, he cannot do. At the most, what he can do is he can go to police, he can go to the court and he can file a case. And I'm going to plead to the judge. I will talk to the lawyer that I am willing to pay the money, but give me some time. So 3 months, 6 months, 1 year later, with so much interest, you need to pay back. Finally, that's what is going to happen. And I am saying that I will pay much before the verdict. Now the problem is not that you are not wanting to pay or that guy shouting, but the problem is you are actually wanting to look good. That what will people think about me if someone shouts at me, someone sends a message, someone calls up, somebody puts up a bad post about me. He said, these people don't really matter at all. So finally, are you honest or not? If you are disciplined, if you are honest, if you are upright, if you are willing to pay the money, why so much worry? Don't have to worry. Take it easy. Things will get better. And he was telling me that one biggest lesson that he told me is that right now 90% people, I'm sure those of you who are watching this video, you say that yes, we are also going through some crisis. Financially, we are not able to manage. Keep cool. The best thing that can happen to all of us is that we are alive today. And only if we are alive, we can pay off our debts very soon. But if we are not alive, if we get into stress and tension, and then we have got heart attack, and then we get affected with the COVID, and then we are in the hospital, who will take care? What will happen to those people who have trusted us? So that's the reason he said, keep mentally always cool, physically active, and then look forward for the next day. And he said, this is what you should do, and you are a motivational speaker, you are a trainer, you have read hundreds and thousands of books. If you yourself can't implement what you are preaching, then how we can do? But I can tell you one thing, that in life always you come across sometimes even the joker in the circus who makes all people laugh, he too requires sometime a treatment, right? Even a psychologist also requires a treatment, even I too require treatment. That's how I for you, you for me, and we all for each other. If we can stay like this, and I know that we are going through the biggest crisis of our lifetime, if we can have that faith and confidence, and I'm sure we can sail through. And only thing is, we are at the bottommost of our life. From here, there's no way we can go any further bottom. Only way we can come back is we can only bounce back. So have that belief and faith, and I'm sure we're all going to rock, right? So those of you who are not able to find work, we are not able to make, both ends meet, we are not having financial, freedom, don't worry, things are going to get better very soon. Have that faith and belief, and I'm sure we all can really make it. And those whom you owe some money and whom you need to pay money, tell them you are sincere, honest, and you will be willing to pay that money, and I'm sure people will really understand. Only thing is, don't live for other people, live for yourself, because you actually matter. You actually matter. Everything, once you are there, then the world is there. If you are not there, then why this world? So remember these things, and maybe this will give us little more motivation to look forward for another day. And I'm sure we're only going to find more and more better days as the time goes by. So friends, see you again. Until then, keep smiling, and then keep rocking. Stay home, stay safe, and then make sure that you go through these tough times, because tough times never last, but tough people, they do last. Bye bye.